Hi everyone, my name is Elisa and today I'm going to show you how to use the presentation site Popplet. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to create this tutorial and record my screen. What you're looking at right now is the home page for Popplet.com. In the upper right of the screen, there are 3 links. One is for the login page, one is to download the app, and the other says try it out, and that takes you to a demo. It has a little tutorial showing you how to use Popplet, and then a little space where you can mess around and learn how to use their program. And this pink button here, that's your sign up link. You can create an account by entering your first, last name, email address, and a password. I'm going to go back to that home screen and log in since I have already created an account. So this is what your home page will look like. Any Popplet presentations that you have created will be stored down here. Click Make a New Popplet to begin. You name your presentation. Let's pretend that we are a teacher making an animal presentation. Give it a title, select a background color, and then click Make It So. In order to create one of the little popple bubbles, these, you simply double-click the screen. It has my name up here, and then you can enter in text. You can enter a drawing. It's a really bad heart, but you get the gist. You can even upload images from your computer. And to add visual appeal, you can change the border color of your popples. So let's say we're the teacher, we're doing an animal presentation. Types of animals could be the title. If you want to create additional popplets, you simply drag these gray dots and then release. You can continue to add little sub-popples and click the X to delete them. Again, same thing, you can change the border color, you can add text. You can move individual popples around by simply clicking on them and then dragging them across the screen. If you press and click on the background and then move your cursor, you can move the whole presentation around. You could say mammals. Basically, you can just popple till your heart desires. There's also an option for comments, which is great for if you're working on a collaborative presentation. You can add a comment in the gray box. There are so many uses for Popplet. You can use it to create mind mapping presentations and outlines. Also, a lot of students and even teachers might feel more comfortable taking notes in this fashion. So if you were a student learning about types of animals, you might want to make these little popples that birds are a type of animal, mammals are a type of animal, reptiles. It's a great way to organize thoughts, to create visually appealing presentations, and even for taking notes. It's also nice that it has the collaborative feature where you can add comments to your popples. It's a very simple website to use, very user-friendly, very visually appealing, lots of bright colors, many different uses. Your imagination is the limit, if that makes sense. If you click on the little share link, You can share your presentation to Facebook. You can add collaborators. Like I said, you can make it a very collaborative assignment. If you click Make Popplet Public, it gives you options for if you want it to be private, if you want it to be public, basically how you want to share it. There's also a link where you can email your presentation to friends, colleagues. You can embed your presentation into a blog or a website, and then it has a link that you can copy and paste as well. Like I said, it's a very easy to use, very user-friendly site. Lots of potential and possibilities. And that is pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial for how to use Popplet to create fun, colorful presentations.